Hi families, this quick tutorial is how to log into the Prodigy game app. So the Prodigy app is a little green monster with a blue background and it looks like this. When you click on it, it's going to give you the option to log in or sign up. Choose log in. You're going to use the username and password that I sent you in your email. That should be all the information that you need to get started. Every student will complete a baseline assessment to get started, so this kind of tells me where you are. This is going to send some information to me on
what does your wizard look like?
Take your time on this stuff. I'm going to pick the girl. I'm going to change the hair. My hair's pretty dark, but my skin's a little bit lighter. Okay, make sure that I really like it before I'm gonna go on.
Are you playing from home or from school?
I'm playing from home. Okay, I'm going to choose which world I'm in. Okay.
Hello.
Alright, now you're all logged in and ready to go. The rest is up to you. You have a lot of choices to make.
Listen.
Make sure that you read the prompts.
You're going to be late for your first day of class.
Again, like usual, if you get stuck, email me. Have your family passed over me. Let
The
me know
name's
what I can
new.
do.
I help bring
Something
new
that will
students
really
to the
help
academy
if
on
you
their
get really
first day of
stuck and you're not
class.
sure what to do, take a screenshot of it so that when you ask me questions, I know precisely where you got stuck.
Who might you be?
I want to get to a math question. Okay, I am a guest, so I'm going to go through and pick my name off of here. Pick my wizard. Marley.
Nice to meet you. Let's head over. Hey, look, a monster. This one's...
Alright.
This is a wizard battle. To cast a spell, just choose one.
Which is a heptagon? Oh my gosh. So this question, if I wanted to answer, if I needed to do some calculations, I could write on this, but this isn't this kind of question, is it? A heptagon. So I know that that means it's something about the sides. I have to remember, what does hept mean? Well, this has a help button. A heptagon has 7 sides, so I need to come over here and count which one has 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, it can't be that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it can't be that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, it's C. So I'm going to pick C. Therefore, select my correct answer.
When you cast a spell, your opponent loses hearts. When they have no hearts left, you win.